If you were absent on Thursday, October 8th, here's what you missed. So first, we did our word work. I only had students do 3 sentences instead of the original 5. So that's going to be on Thursday's assignment. You can delete the bottom 2 rows or just ignore them. So it's up to you. If it bothers you, you can delete them. So you're going to write 3 sentences that use a word in each sentence from your vocab list. And they need to be about either Freak the Mighty or Moana. So you need to use the word correctly, show what it means, and the sentence that you write has to be accurate for the book or movie. So it needs to be a true statement about the book or movie. You can see here that the teacher was effervescent doesn't show the meaning because I could literally put in the antonym and say the teacher was boring and the sentence still works. The effervescent teacher read the story in a British accent, raising her voice at the exciting moments. That gives information about what the word means. I am grading this week the 2 connections that you did on slide 3, and I'm grading the 3 sentences here for a total of 5 points. After that, we did an ink blot activity. So that's down under this week's assignments. It's ink blots. If you were not here today, you're going to use this Nearpod. It'll just ask you, it'll tell you a little bit about what the book is about, and then it will ask you what you see in 3 different pictures. It's just to give you practice on what taking an ink blot test is like. You can also watch this video. There's nothing that you need to do with it, but it does explain the Rorschach test and what psychologists use it for. At the beginning of Flowers for Algernon, the main character, Charlie, describes taking a Rorschach test. He calls it a Rorschach test, though. So if you don't know what it is, it would be hard for you to understand that part. So that's the purpose of this activity. After that, we read the first 5 pages of Flowers for Algernon. That is up here under frequently used materials. The PDF is here, and I also recorded a video of me reading the first section, which I'm going to try to do every day in Block A. So you can listen to it if you'd prefer, and you can follow along with it because I just did a screen recording like this, so you can see the text as I read along. We read the first 5 pages, and then we took a quick comprehension quiz, and we went over it afterwards. So it's 5 points. It's just a Google form that'll ask you, point of view. It'll ask you why he's having the surgery, what's it mean to pull a Charlie, and then 2 questions here for you to answer in short answer form. So all of that is what we did today. Some due dates to keep in mind. Your vocab homework is due by tonight at midnight. And I made the word work. If anybody didn't finish it in class, it is also due tonight at midnight. And you have a test on on your vocab tomorrow. That will be, our test on lesson 2 is tomorrow. And then the Freak the Mighty theme paragraph, so right here, theme and Freak the Mighty, that was due at 8 a.m. today. So if you've not turned that in yet, you need to do so as soon as possible so I can get that graded. That was it for today. Study for your vocab test for tomorrow. If you have any questions, reach out and I'd be happy to help you. Have a good day.